our live shows of select stories. There will be stories of Room on the Roof, Adventures of Toto, Brave in the House.
And we assure you that you won't be bored at all.
We assure you that your time will be invested in something very enjoyable and fruitful. But where is the English department? In the hall. So please do visit the English department. Thank you.
A moment of pride for all the English department teachers and students. Sound show. We are about to begin with our very first show, The Adventures of Toto. Thank you for being supportive. সময় দেওয়ার জন্য এবং আমাদের এই প্রথম প্রচেষ্টায় আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকার জন্য আশা করি
Give the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo.
Oh, this monkey! Come here!
Hey, what's the matter?
Oh, this monkey has irritated me and I'm trying to carry it.
Stop being harsh to it. Well, give it to me.
You have to give me 5 rupees for that.
Sure, take it.
Here, take it.
Scene 2. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white. His fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail adding to his good looks.
Have you seen Rustin? How beautiful this monkey is?
Yes, Grandpa, he surely is.
But what shall we name him?
Grandpa, let's name him Toto. And shall we give him at our house?
Definitely we can. We can keep him in our house, but your grandma will be very angry after seeing him.
Grandpa, I have a brilliant idea. Guess what is it?
What?
We shall take him and keep him in our closet. And then Grandma will never be able to know it.
Now, I'm sure no one will be able to see Toto and he will be safe here.
Yes, Grandpa, but let's keep it a secret.
Surely.
A few hours later, when grandfather and Rusty came back to release Toto, they found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper,
Yes, this Toto is. He has torn all the wallpapers and clothes.
Definitely he is. But have you seen Ruskin how intellectual this Toto is? If he would have got 10 minutes more, he would have tied all those stone cloths together and made a rope to escape from here.
But Grandpa, it is not safe to keep him here. Let us shift him to the servants' quarter.
Yes. That will be good for him.
Scene 3. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. But Toto wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. He would disturb everyone at the table, especially Nana. Finally, grandfather came to see the condition, and he was shocked by the havoc.
What is going on here? Toto, you have to behave properly. Get up. Let's go home.
Oh my God! What is this?
I brought him from a Tonga driver. I didn't tell it to anyone because I thought everyone will be angry on me.
I might have been angry, but
Trust me when I say this monkey, it is very, very, very intellectual. Can we please keep it, please?
okay, if you say so, we can surely keep him. But don't very dirty and shabby.
Yes.
I have an idea. Let me bring a big bowl of warm water and wash it.
Yes, that's great.
Ruskin! Ruskin! Come here! Yes, Grandma! Coming! Scrub it!
Scene 4. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. Grandmother entered and screamed, and Toto threw a plate at her. Ruskin rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. Later, he was found in the branches of the jackfruit tree, the dish still in his arms. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice. And then, in order to feed grandmother, who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. Scene 5. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet they could keep for long. So, grandfather found a Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees.